Good morning everybody, welcome to our Leavers Assembly for the Year 6 for the end of July 2020. A really strange Leavers Assembly this year because we've got no audience physically in the building, but hopefully lots of you will be watching this later on YouTube. So we're going to crack on this morning to say goodbye to a fantastic Year 6. I know many of them in a normal assembly would be crying today on what's one of their last days in school. Some of us have been crying every day they've been in school because they've been a nightmare at times, but they've also been a great group of children as well. So we're gonna crack on with the assembly. We're gonna have a really good time, and even though there's lots of trouble in the world, they are the first group of children I've ever worked with who've managed to have 2 Leavers dinners. So they're doing well on everything. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
Right. Are you starting to say goodbye to Aberbargoed?
Yeah.
Well, clearly they're not. Okay, so we're going to start off by singing a great song which many of them sang in St David's Hall a couple of months ago, just before lockdown, When I Grow Up, something I've never managed to do. There we are.
I will be tall enough to reach the branches that I need to reach to climb the trees. You get to climb when you're grown up. And when I grow up, I will be smart enough to answer all the questions that you need to know the answers to before you're grown up. And when I grow up, I will eat sweets every day on the way to work, and I will go to bed late every night. And I will wake up when the sun comes up, and I will watch cartoons until my eyes go square, and I won't care 'cause I'll be all grown up when I grow up. When I grow up, when I grow up, when I grow up, I will be strong enough to carry all the heavy things you have to haul around with you when you're a grown up. But when I grow up, when I grow up, when I grow up, I will be brave enough to fight the creatures that you have to fight beneath the bed each night to be a grown up. I will have treats every day, and I'll play with things that mums pretend that mums don't think are fun. And I will wake up when the sun comes up, and I will spend all day just lying in the sun. And I won't work 'cause I'll be all grown up when I grow up. I will be brave enough to fight the creatures that you have to fight beneath the bed each night to be a grown up. Just because you find that life is not fair, doesn't mean you must have to free and play. Things you always take your chin and wear it, nothing will change. Just because I find myself in this story, it doesn't mean that everything is written for me. If I think the end is fixed already, I might as well be saying I think that it's okay, and that's not right. When I grow up.
Fantastic-ish, boys and girls. Well done. Anybody crying yet? Well, I'm crying because they've still got another day left in school and I don't know if I can cope with that. Now then, over the course of the 8 years that most of you have been in school, you've had some fantastic memories. And I think the next thing we've got is a video showing you